now what we have done, in a normal text editor such as Notepad++, I have created a C file with the help of conditional operator for printing even number and odd number. And now what I am going to do, I am saving this file. I have already saved this file in the D drive under the C batch folder, and now I am going to run this file from the command prompt. For that I am opening the command prompt, and here go to the D drive, open the C batch folder, and now the command for running of the command for compiling the file is TCC, Turbo C compiler. And now the name of the file is cond.c. So now it is showing an error over here. Every time you will try to run your C program in command prompt directly, for the first time it will show this error. What it is showing? It is showing that TCC is not recognized as an internal or external command or programmable file or batch file, right? Operable program or batch file. So why it is showing here? Because any command prompt has two kinds of commands. Whenever you have a command prompt in your computer, it generally has two kinds of command. First is internal command and second is external command. Internal commands are those commands of command prompts which get executed or which are installed in it from the beginning only. I mean to say the CD command, the MD command, the D drive command, the copycon command, the delete command, the copy command, the xcopy command, the move command, and various other commands are available in command prompt which can be executed directly. Suppose there is a command known as date. It will show the current date of your system. If you want to change it, you can change it from here, or otherwise press enter, it will be the same. If you want to know the time, current time of your system, just type time. It will show the current time of your system in hour, minute, second and millisecond format. If you want to change it, you can change it from here, otherwise just press enter. So these are internal commands which get executed in command prompt. But TCC is not an internal command of command prompt. It is an external command. तो आप कभी भी किसी भी एक्सटर्नल कमांड को अपने कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पर यूज करना चाहते हो तो यू हैव टू सेट द पाथ. नाउ हाउ यू विल सेट द पाथ? To set the path of any command for the command prompt, you have to first go to that place where that command exists. So I am going to that place where the TCC command is existing. It is in the TC folder under the bin folder. If you go there, you can find the TCC. Here it is. This is an application, an exe file. So with the help of this TCC file you can compile your programs. So I have to set the path of this TCC file. You can copy the path from the address bar. Just click on the address bar, then you can have the path ctc bin. This is the path of this file. So copy this path, and where will you go? Go to the My Computer Properties section. There go to the Advanced System Settings. A dialog box will be opened. Here there are many tabs: computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, remote. Among these tabs, choose the advanced tab and go for environment variables. So where you will go? First of all, you will copy the path, then go to My Computer, right click on it, go to Properties, open the Advanced System Setting from here. From this dialog box, from the Advanced System Setting dialog box, click on Environment Variables, and now in a combo box given downwards with name System Variables, choose a name Path. Okay, you can type P, so the path will be selected. Now click on Edit, and here variable values will be given. Don't delete these values. These are very important. If you delete these values, your command prompt will start giving errors. So don't delete these values. Just click on the last value and press semicolon and paste that path which you have copied from there. ctc bin. Once you have pasted the path over here, now you can compile your TCC from the command prompt. Close the command prompt, restart it again so that it can work. Set the path of Java. TCC and the name of the file cond.c. So it gets compiled. If there was some error, it will be shown here.
Sir, if we delete that path,
it will not get this TCC command. It will keep on saying that it is bad command, or it is not recognized as an internal or external command, or Prepal program, or batch file. So now once the program is being compiled, I want to show you the place where you have saved the program. You can see over here you have created a program cond.c, and as you compile this program, two more files are created. This one is object file and this one is application file or exe file. This is your file which actually gives you the output. If you want the output, just double click on it. So it is asking a number. So this is your application. To run this application, you need to do what? Just double click on it. You can copy this application to your pen drive and move it to any other computer. It will run there. Until unless the platform of your computer and that computer is same. मतलब अगर आपने Windows पे बनाया है and if you are running it on Macintosh operating system, it will not run. It will show an error over there. But if you copy this exe file in a normal other computer which actually having the same platform of your computer, then it will run over there.
so that system should have TC.
That system should have TC. We can run the program from here also in the command prompt. Just write down the name of your program cond dot, at this time not C, this time dot exe. Is it okay? So now can you create your C programs in any text editor? Can you compile it and run it? Ayana?
Yes, sir.
How many of you are not able to do it still, or have any problem in the procedure? Nobody. Good. Okay. So this is another way to write C programs. Now as our decision control structure is over, now we are moving on to